Hi guys, I'm back again, this time to allay all your lockdown worries, which is when are salons and parlors going to open? Well, I cannot answer that question for you, but I can definitely find you a replacement for all those salon services right now. So keep watching. So my husband recently complimented me that you are such low maintenance even at a time like this where people are desperate to go to salons. And well, who doesn't like compliments? Every girl loves compliments. And it was quite an unusual and an unexpected one. And I realized that it is probably because of the various aesthetic procedures that I have been doing for so many years now. So I will share my secret with you guys in this video today. For those of you who do not know me, I'm a dermatologist practicing in various parts of Delhi. I've done my MBBS from Lady Harding and my higher studies from AIIMS Medical College. And after that, I'm into aesthetic industry. This industry is wonderful. It is very addictive. A, because you're a girl, you love everything about skincare and beauty, and B, because you're a skincare expert and you have to have good skin. So I have tried, if not all, most of the procedures available at the aesthetic industry. So instead of waxing, it's a no-brainer. I go for laser hair reduction. I have taken 4 to 5 sessions now, and with every session there is decrease in the rate of the growth, decrease in the thickness of the hair, and decrease in the density of hair. So I hardly require waxing now. I do that once in a blue moon, just out of indulgence or when I have to attend a social event. I don't need waxing per se now. Secondly, I have replaced hair spa with PRP hair. It is a cocktail of all the nutritional growth factors that is injected into my scalp, and it nourishes my scalp from within. It volumizes my hair. Definitely, it is not going to work on the frizziness of the hair. For that, you have to use a conditioner or a hair mask, but it does take care of hair fall, which is a concern for many of you guys. Thirdly, and my most favorite, is Medifacials. I can't remember the last time I have taken a facial at a salon. I didn't even go for a facial before my wedding because I love indulging in Medifacials. So Medifacials are medicated facials done by a doctor at a cosmetic clinic, which is for a particular concern like acne, pigmentation, or dullness of skin. And because it has a scientific basis, it has a long-term effect. It can be of various types. It could be exfoliative medifacials or glow infusions or hydrating treatment, but my personal favorite is carbon facial and photofacial. I tend to alternate between these two every month. That is because I have an oily and acne prone skin type. It doesn't mean that these two facials are going to suit you as well. There are an array of Medifacials to choose from, and you can choose them based on your skin type and concern. Now, since you know my secret, you should just quickly pack your bags and rush to your nearest aesthetic center to get these procedures done. Thank you guys for watching. So much for today. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.